Mastering cultural sensitivity training. Cultural nuances ignite conflicts and sabotage global deals. Where do cultural nuances influence conflict resolution and negotiation styles, and how do these differences impact effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and global markets? Cultural nuances play a significant role in shaping conflict resolution and negotiation styles, which in turn, impact effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and global markets. These nuances can influence every stage of the conflict resolution and negotiation process, from identifying the problem to finding a mutually beneficial solution. One of the primary areas where cultural nuances exert their influence is in the communication style. In high-context cultures, such as those found in Asia and Latin America, communication tends to be indirect, polite, and respectful. In these cultures, explicit communication is often seen as impolite or aggressive, and may lead to conflict escalation. In contrast, low-context cultures, such as those found in North America and Europe, value direct and explicit communication. This difference in communication style can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, which can exacerbate conflicts. Another area where cultural nuances have an impact is in the concept of time and punctuality. In some cultures, time is considered a flexible and relative concept, and punctuality is not seen as a key element of professionalism. In other cultures, time is viewed as a precious resource, and tardiness is seen as a sign of disrespect. This difference in perspective can lead to conflicts and tensions, particularly in situations where deadlines need to be met. Cultural nuances also influence the role of hierarchy and authority in conflict resolution and negotiation. In some cultures, authority figures are expected to take charge and provide direction, while in other cultures, decision-making is more decentralized and collaborative. This difference in approach can lead to conflicts and power struggles, particularly in multicultural teams. Furthermore, cultural nuances affect the way emotions are expressed and managed during conflict resolution and negotiation. In some cultures, emotional displays are seen as a natural and authentic way of communicating, while in other cultures, emotional displays are seen as unprofessional or weak. This difference in emotional expression can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, which can escalate conflicts. In addition, cultural nuances influence the concept of saving face and avoiding loss of dignity. In some cultures, saving face is a crucial aspect of conflict resolution and negotiation, and parties may go to great lengths to avoid losing dignity or reputation. In other cultures, saving face is not as important, and parties may be more willing to compromise and find a mutually beneficial solution. This difference in approach can lead to conflicts and tensions, particularly in situations where reputation and dignity are at stake. Finally, cultural nuances impact the way conflicts are resolved and negotiations are conducted. In some cultures, conflicts are resolved through avoidance and compromise, while in other cultures, conflicts are resolved through open confrontation and debate. Similarly, in some cultures, negotiations are conducted through building relationships and trust, while in other cultures, negotiations are conducted through competitive bargaining and power play. These differences in approach can lead to conflicts and misunderstandings, particularly in multicultural teams and global markets. Given the significant impact of cultural nuances on conflict resolution and negotiation styles, it is essential to develop strategies that can help mitigate these differences and improve effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and global markets. Some of these strategies include developing cultural competence and awareness. Team members and leaders should develop an understanding of the cultural nuances that influence conflict resolution and negotiation styles. This can be achieved through cultural sensitivity training, diversity and inclusion initiatives, and cross-cultural competency development. Establishing clear communication protocols. Establishing clear communication protocols can help mitigate misunderstandings and misinterpretations that arise from cultural differences in communication style. This can include setting clear expectations for communication, using multiple channels of communication, and encouraging open and respectful communication. Fostering trust and relationships. Building trust and relationships is essential for effective conflict resolution and negotiation. This can be achieved through building personal relationships, establishing a track record of reliability and credibility, and demonstrating a willingness to listen and compromise. Embracing flexibility and adaptability. Conflicts and negotiations often require flexibility and adaptability. Embracing these qualities can help teams and leaders navigate cultural differences and find mutually beneficial solutions. Encouraging diverse perspectives. Diverse perspectives can bring new insights and ideas to conflict resolution and negotiation. Encouraging diverse perspectives can help teams and leaders find creative solutions that meet the needs of all parties involved. Providing ongoing training and support. Finally, providing ongoing training and support can help teams and leaders develop the skills and competencies needed to navigate cultural differences and improve effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and global markets. In conclusion, cultural nuances play a significant role in shaping conflict resolution and negotiation styles, and these differences can have a profound impact on effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and global markets. By developing cultural competence and awareness, establishing clear communication protocols, fostering trust in relationships, embracing flexibility and adaptability, encouraging diverse perspectives, and providing ongoing training and support, teams and leaders can mitigate the impact of cultural differences and improve their ability to navigate conflicts and negotiations across cultures.